Yo, what is going on, my people? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome to Vehicle Wednesday. Today we are adding in a brand new vehicle into the vehicle mod. Now I know you're probably aware right now, this is an extremely late start to the live stream, and that's completely my fault. My sleeping schedule right now is super bad. It is super duper bad. Like, I want to be live streaming 2 hours earlier. Like, I want to be live streaming at 10 AM my time. That's like the time, that's my dream time, alright? That's my dream time of live streaming, because I like to live stream from like 10 to 12. Then after that, it's all my other stuff. So, yeah, I really gotta work on, it's Tuesday, not Wednesday. It's Wednesday for me, alright? It's Wednesday for me. It's different. You guys always see the live stream on Tuesday night. You guys are watching it on Tuesday night. It's Wednesday morning for me, so it's technically Vehicle Wednesday. But basically, once this day is, like, you guys will see the actual proper Vehicle Wednesday video on Wednesdays, so there's that. Do you remember me? I'm Pizza. I don't remember the name too well, but I remember it from now on, my dude. Hopefully I'll see you around the live stream some more. But welcome everybody. I see you guys in the chat. Who we got here? We got Jackson Plays, Bloxy Way, Master Chief. What's up, my dudes? Alpha Think, Alki the Gamer, Xpron, Bumblebee Gaming, MTK Tech. Who else we got? Zach Joe, Awesome 101, Fandom Maniac. Yo, what's up? Richard, The Flash. We got The Flash in here. J Splat, Skytran, Tibbs Chicken, Galaxy Fox, Bubble. Oh, I read that out. Abby, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? We've got a pretty fun day today of adding in a brand new vehicle. I'm excited. I'm always a big fan of Vehicle Wednesdays. I don't know why I did this, but I did have, like, I think I'm gonna have to redo all this again. I'm gonna be careful here. Alright, let's go ahead and switch over to coding view right now. And let's also take a look at the vehicle that we're going to be adding in today, because if you guys don't know, every kind of the day before, I always post like a poll on Twitter. I also post a poll on YouTube and Twitter. So we're going to take a look at the votes and see which one actually won here. Maybe some of you guys already know, but we're going to take a look at the results in a second here. Let's switch over to the coding view right now. Alrighty, here we are, my dudes. Here we are. Got my coffee as well. I forgot to mention, got my coffee. Got a nice coffee. Alright, need a nice coffee to start the day. That's what I'm talking about. I bought like these sachets, which are pretty nice. It's like, it's a nice, it's a nice coffee, alright? It's a nice coffee. Yeah, it's kind of cheating. I want to get like an actual coffee machine. Do you guys have any recommendations on coffee machines? Like basic, well, like pod machines. I'm after a pod machine. Alright, let's go ahead and let's have a look where this poll is. Where's my poll? There it is. Alright, here we go. Here we go, my dudes. So this is the poll. I changed my name a bit. It's ThinkLab Minions. Okay. I still recognize your icon, dude. Alrighty, so... Whoa! This is completely different to the YouTube poll. So Twitter, right? 134 votes. Ride on Lawnmower, Smart Car, Kalahari, and then Crafting System 1. We might actually have to do a proper tally here. So this is Twitter, right? So Crafting System 1 here, apparently. But that completely changes if we go to YouTube, alright? So hold on, let me... Oh my... Why does that happen? It should not be a feature that happens. Now I just lost every window. I literally just tried to drag my window over the other screen and that happened. Alright, and then I'm going to go to my channel. Alright, so this is where it gets interesting here. This is where it gets interesting here. Because if we take a look at this, right? So this is the poll that I put on my YouTube. 3.9k votes, nice. We got exactly the same options here as well. But what do you think won? Alright. We're just gonna go ahead and we'll click on this one. It shouldn't obscure the results, really, but we're gonna go ahead and click on this one. But we're gonna see it here in a second what it actually is. Look how much different the results are from YouTube compared to Twitter. Completely different. Like, Smart Car won by a mile, but if you look at the Twitter one, it was like even. It was even with the ride-on lawnmowers, so we have to like add these up right now. I think it's still going to be the Smart Car, but like we're still, I don't know. It's definitely the Smart Car that's won by a long shot. Yeah. A lot of people saying crafting system. We might do the crafting system sometime this week. Maybe we'll do it on, I know it's Friday. No, Friday's Furniture Friday. Can't do it then. We could probably work on it tomorrow. Would you guys want to see it worked on tomorrow? Start working on a crafting system. Hello, what up, Zaviper? How you doing, my dude? Hold up. Did they change the position of the sponsor badge? Did they change? Why did they put it after the message? Why did they put it after the name? That's so annoying. Why? What are they thinking? Put it before the name. Oh my god, YouTube. What person was like, let's just change this for fun so it looks like we're working. You know, you gotta submit something at the end of the day, you know, you gotta prove to them I'm working. I'll be like, you know what I did today? You know what I did today? I just moved the icon to the back, alright? I just moved it to the back. That's my day done. YouTube employee. You know, people like it at the back better, alright? People like it at the back better. After the name. Like, what person, like, who actually legit decided, you know, let's put this at the back? Someone actually had to do that. A team decided we're gonna move it to after the name. Not just one person, he had to ask people to change it around, alright? He had to ask people to change it around. Like, why? It's so hard to, like... Thing is that it's just, it doesn't seem right. And there's also no space between the actual claw anymore and the name by the looks of it. No, it's like literally right next to each other. Like there's no padding. There's like 2 pixels of padding. I won't say there's no padding, there's 2 pixels of padding. Alright. But YouTube, why change around the chat? There's literally no reason. It was fine. Alright? I use this all the time. It's fine. I never had problems with it, but now it's on the other side and I'm having problems. Stream over. Let's all send YouTube our piece of our minds. Absolute savage. Alrighty, so I just need to clean up these commits real quickly. Because I was working on... I'm having a problem trying to get my desired result here, guys. I'm having a problem trying to get my desired result for the spray can. right? All I want to do, right, is make it so when you hold right click, when you hold right click, it sprays a vehicle gradually, right? That's all I want to do. I've achieved that, right? I've achieved that. But some reason, right? There's a weird side effect now to when I actually switch item. I mean, hopefully this is the one that has it. Hopefully this is the one that has it. But I'll show you guys. There's a really weird side effect to now switching items, which just annoys me now. Alright? Exclusively just to switching to a spray can, not like another item. When I switch to the spray can, it has some really weird stuff going on. I can see a list of the currently created vehicles. Can I see a list of all the currently created vehicles? Download the mod. Download the mod. Hey Cray, can you make a gaming channel where you play different games other than Minecraft? I don't know if I don't want to do another channel. I got too many. Oh, what the heck? Alright. Alright, for instance, okay? Look at this, right? Implemented this system beautifully, but some reason when you change items, it's like really fast. Like really fast. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that. See how this is like, it actually goes down then up, right? It goes down then up. But here, literally stops like 2 seconds down. Literally, I don't want that. Alright? I want to keep the Minecraft feel. I don't like that. Alright? I don't know how to fix it, but I was implementing this system which actually just gradually colors it, which is cool. So like, you know, it was cool, right? But I literally, like, what is this? And the thing is, like, the method that, I don't know why Minecraft's coded so badly, but I don't, maybe the naming is wrong. Forge got the naming wrong, but this is not like a, this is the method causing it, right? This is the method causing it. But it's also used when you hold down right click, because I need to set it to make it to say, like, you know, this item's in use. It's like a method that gets called multiple times. It gets called multiple times, not just, you know, once. It gets called multiple times in the actual animation sequence to check if it should cause the re-equip animation. So it could do it for like 2 seconds like that, but then the next time it gets called, I don't know. We won't get too detailed into it. We'll have to figure out a way we can do it without yeah, alright. So yeah, now I've just got this random code. Hold up, let's go ahead. What I'm gonna do is copy that source. Alright, I'm just copying that source code. There we go. Because I can just discard that now. And if I want it back, I'll just put it there. Alrighty, so a new vehicle. So we need to create a, I don't want to do it on master. I don't necessarily like creating on master. Might have to create a new branch here. File, branch, debranch. Say land. Because it's going to be a land vehicle. Land. Can you speak Australian? I'm speaking Australia. Why the lag? YouTube turned down your quality, my dudes. I am streaming at 1080p 60 FPS, so maybe your computer can't handle that. 1080p 60 FPS. Does it look smooth to you guys? I don't know. Does it look smooth? Alrighty. I'm watching on my phone. Now my computer I can handle. It's YouTube's fault. I doubt it's YouTube's fault. Is anybody else? If somebody else is not lagging, then it's your fault. My phone just died. Ripperonis. Alrighty, so let's start adding in this new vehicle. So we're going to be starting it off with the actual model as always. Now I hope people didn't misinterpret what a smart car is. Who here actually voted for the smart car? Who here voted for the smart car? And if you did, how did you interpret it? What's a smart car to you? Who voted for it? What was your interpretation of a smart car? It's smart. A smart car is a car that has a mind. Self-driving car. A smart car is a smart car. Self-driving car, maybe. Well, you guys interpreted it wrong. What's the... Google the word smart car. You guys interpreted it wrong. Think of a Panto from GTA 5. Think of a Panto from GTA 5. That, my friends, is a smart car. Look, proof. Smart car. This is what I was talking about. This car here. It's like a one-person car. Oh no, I think it's a two-person car, but it's basically a small car. People are like, I'm unvoting for it now. I'm unvoting. Crafting system crate. you gotta look up these things. What's a smart car? Smart driving. Nah, it still comes with the smart car, kind of. Self-driving car is doesn't equal a smart car. GTA 5 Panto. See, look, Panto. It's basically the Panto, all right? It's basically the Panto. Ooh, I like that actually. Maybe we could do something like that with the colors. It'd be cool if we had secondary colors as well, but I don't know how we would paint it then. That was good coffee. I drink it way too quick. I just want more of it. I want more. So yeah, that's a smart car, my dudes. Basically the Panto from GTA 5. Revote. Crayfish, we're gonna have to revote. I didn't know that was a smart car. I didn't know that was a smart car. Too late. Too late. Too late, because this is gonna be an interesting one today. This is gonna be an interesting one. This one's gonna be an exclusive. This one is gonna be exclusive. Alright? Now, what do you mean by exclusive, Crayfish? What do you mean by exclusive? Well, you guys ever heard of the mod? You guys ever heard of the mod called Harvestcraft? You guys ever heard of the mod called Harvestcraft? Hold up. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, here we go. Best layout in the whole entire live streaming history right here. Best layout ever. Well, the smart car is going to be an exclusive of Harvestcraft. If you have that installed. Now, why is that? Why is that? Well, I should probably just like stop making this like a build. I'm subscribing. Oh my god. Your problem for misinterpreting it. Your problem for misinterpreting it. Harvestcraft, that is. Well, the author Pam of Harvestcraft drives a smart car, and I thought it would be a cool idea to add like a smart car in exclusive if you have Harvestcraft installed. It's going to be a vehicle that you'll be able to color any way you want, but it's a smart car. You'll be able to drive it, and it'll be an exclusive if you have Harvestcraft actually installed. He'll be an exclusive. I like exclusive stuff, alright? I like exclusive stuff. So this will be cool because it's not my mod, it's actually somebody else. Now Harvestcraft will be on the server. It won't be. We don't have to. Alrighty, so I need to bring up an image. Smart car. We probably won't install it on the server just because I personally don't want it on it. But the server is the sponsor server. Alrighty, so let's get like a reference image that I can use. Hip hop velociraptors everywhere. What? Well, you could say this is a normal car for you. Crafting, look at votes. No, you gotta look at the YouTube votes as well. Pam does live streams, everyone should check out her channel. Crayudabomb.com. What the? Oh, that's a good reference image. I like to look at that one. Dude, that looks like a... I would buy that car. That's actually cool. Hold on, let me go ahead and bring up a picture so we know, so you guys know what I'm doing here. Where's the picture? There it is. Let me fix it up. Why does this never work? Transform, reset transform. Oops. It only works on the sides. Like, that actually looks cool, that car. Are you secretly a dinosaur? No. What are the perks of being a sponsor? Wink wink, nudge nudge, say no more. Doesn't play, sorry. We're on a different layout here. Hold on, we might make that a little bit smaller. I can't see. Turn that music down, can't see. Alright, there we go. Alrighty, so this. So it shouldn't be too difficult to create this. I'm imagining it's not going to be too difficult. We will try not to go overboard. I think the one problem would be going overboard with this. But it's going to be interesting trying to create this. Alrighty. I probably need some other reference images as well, but we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, so I guess I'll start off with like the skirts. Skirt. Now, I don't know how big I'm going to make this thing. Because, like, that's the biggest I can go with an element right there. Do you know what Tamadu Kasita means? Yeah, I do. I searched it up. I was like, this can't be like, you know... Because I watched the video, I'm like, that's definitely not the name of that character. He just named that because of the actual song, but it's completely different meaning. He is making babies. What? I'm trying to think how big. Smart car. So the front of it's like very small. Okay, that gives me a better idea. Body 1. Body 2. This is the song that apparently got me a copyright strike. Not really copyright strike. Can we copy strike Crayfish? Can we copy strike Crayfish? Smart car. Yeah. What's the vehicle? It sounds like you're streaming in real time. I am. It's called real time. Trying to think. Yeah, it's about that. Whoops. Alright. We're actually going to shrink this. We're going to do that. So that and that. There we go, that's it. That's pretty much it, my dudes. Might make that one shorter. Maybe like 7. It's too big. So it starts off something like this, right? starts off like something like this. I gotta go, but keep making awesome mods and videos. I'll see you next stream. Peace. See you later, my dude. I wish I stream started earlier. Alright, just trying to get a rough idea of what this is gonna look like. So it's kind of like a little edge to it, like that. Try and retain as much detail as I can. Might make it 2. Gotta be careful about size, actually. Make it 1. I finally caught on your streams. What up? Sorry I'm late. I'm currently working on my biggest project, Cray's Basics in Education and Learning. Doesn't even make sense. It's kind of like door. If you're trying to be funny with that comment, you're not. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, oops. So I need to shrink that. Maybe too high there. We're gonna start making like a curvature here. It's basically the same for the back and the front, so it's kind of good that we can make this somewhat symmetrical. Can make it somewhat symmetrical, which is nice. Just hopped on what kind of vehicle you're working on. Big fan of your work, by the way. We are creating a smart car. So people don't know what vehicle I'm working on. Now, hold up. You guys can't see the picture, can you? Hold up. There we go. I don't know why the picture didn't show. Smart car, no, those are girly. Oh well. Oh well. Looks like you're gonna have to play with a girl's car. Ha 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 ha. Because it's totally a girl's car. Look at that. I'm actually gonna name Yeet yeet on my feet. Lag. Maybe it did drop some frames, I don't know. Possibly. He made a lot of other cars with vehicle mods, so no, this won't be the only one. Nah, I'm deleting every single vehicle, and we're just having this one. No, Crayfish! I see an FPS counter. Yeah, I'm running at 60 FPS. Better than other games. Definitely need to do. Like, there's so, like, I never realized it, but there is really an important to always optimize your models. Because you could really have like 100 faces that do nothing. And that's just technically extra memory taken, so it's always good to optimize your models. And we might have to try and do it with this car too. Trying to get an idea of what. Smart car. Other memories. Just thinking if it's too high or not. I think this needs to be like down one more, in my professional opinion. Does it make sense? Oh my god. Might give it a quick sneaky save right now. Only if people say the hashtag save right now in less than 10 seconds. Oh no, sorry. Save right now, Crayfish, in less than 10 seconds, then I'll save. Hashtag save right now. Yeet yeet. Say yeet if you can see my chat. Yeet! And 4th century car. English very well. Say hashtag save right now. Alright, we're good. Upvote. Smart car one. Now that I think about it. This doesn't actually save anything. That doesn't save anything. Hold up, I'll show you why. Have we been doing this like risky as heck? I'll show you. This doesn't save anything. Because I know how my model creator works. Alright, here we go. So this is the project we just saved. This is the... Oh no, you guys can't see this. Hold up. Let me go this one real quickly. So this is the project we just saved. So smartcar1.model. This is the model file. If we open it up, after Notepad++ tries to load up everything, have a look at this. I mean, it will still load it up, but all the faces are going to be disabled. All the faces are going to be disabled. Like, there's no definitions for the faces. And that was basically why I implemented that in, is so like any face that doesn't have a texture, we just get rid of it. So interesting. So yeah, all these models that we've saved before we even started texturing them don't even have anything in them. I mean, we can still use them as backups, but it just means a lot of work has been lost. Yeet the smart car. Hey now. I'll yeet you in a second. I think that has to be one longer. Yeah, that's better. Yeet! Boy, the first vehicle to have a roof. Pretty much. I hope I've done that. I've good enough. I don't know if I've done it to scale right. I think it has to be bigger. I think if I just make it one bigger on each thing, it will look better. Oops. Because to me it just doesn't seem right. It seems too small. Break, break, beat back. Just like that. Might have an issue with positioning this now, but that looks perfect. Not really. That's the best I can get. That looks a bit better now. I feel like that's proper size. Why can't I report bugs in the gun mod? Never. And like, we're gonna make this smaller, because like this is gonna be, oh no, it's gonna be back wheels. That's fine actually. This one needs to be smaller. because they're going to be the wheels that actually turn, so we just want to make sure when they do turn it doesn't kind of look awkward on the actual model. Ligas, but what if you made it so when the car starts driving it just makes a yeet sound? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. What do you guys think this so far? Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I liking it. I'm liking it. Oh, this is... yeah, that would be the back. Apparently it's like... apparently the back like doesn't go all the way down. Like that kind of stops 1 pixel before it. I don't know. I'd have to see the back of it. Oh my god, there's a smart car hearse. Why is that a thing? Smart car back. Oh, okay. That changes my whole perspective of the back of it. We want to make sure this looks like the actual real one, so kind of looks like the real one. Alright, trim 10. Yeah, kind of real. Never seen your name in the chat before. If I had my own money, I'd be a sponsor right now. I think everybody had their money. Will the smart car have 2-player support? No. I'm gonna make it a 1-person vehicle. Me feels. So we're gonna make use of actually optimizing this well, because we can actually reuse an element right here. We can actually reuse this one. Bring that back like that, right? Is actually a good idea or not? Because I do need it to come further. You'll see in a second what I'm trying to do here. We might have to as well change around this one. Do something like that. Are you making the smart car? I mean, what does it look like I'm making? There's clearly a picture of it. Cray, you actually swear in the back of the day. Yeah, I did. I'm not ashamed of it. I did swear back in the day. I still swear now. I still swear now off camera. I don't do it on camera, but I do it off camera. People are like, what? Cray swears? No way. Oh my god, I'm unsubscribing. Sometimes you swear on camera. I don't swear on camera at all. I apparently swear on camera. I apparently swear on camera. Alright, so what we're gonna do is copy that. This is a Christian stream, Crayfish. You can't swear on camera. I like that. There we go. We could probably save on elements here, kind of. Not really. Because it's kind of two separate. It's looking pretty good so far. I don't know. Do you guys think it's looking like a smart car yet? Please make an auto drive feature. It's not a smart car, it's a smart car. It's not a Tesla. I think what I'm gonna do is instead make this just wider. And same with this one as well. Optimizes it by a lot. By a lot. What's this one? What is this song called? Puzzle by Retrovision. Puzzle by Retrovision. How do I say private message to you? I don't do private messages. Just tweet me. Please go on off topic on your Discord server. You've got another mod installed. Alright, there we go. What I might do is... make that come up to there. Alright, there we go. Looking nice. That looks like the actual thing. It looks like the actual thing. Alright, so we can save this, but it won't save with textures. So I feel like we need to texture things. Just in case that does happen. What was that? Concrete powder? Uh-oh. There's no way that's concrete. There's no way that's concrete. It's got a lot of noise in that. Yeet. You will see. Yeet for lag. Alright. The only problem I can see now is that it's not wide enough. The only problem I can see now is that it's not wide enough, so we might have to make it a bit wider. Because this is like good, but then like this way it's not good. What's this gonna be called? Might have to make it wider. Otherwise the scale is going to be off. Like just a bit wider, you know. Like 2 pixels wider. Like that would look a little bit better. Yeet for you. Make the color. Really makes sense. Oh. Okay, your awesome design caused us lag. Probably true. So now we're going to extend the elements, but we have to do that through duplicating. I watched a really crappy movie. Just randomly, but I watched a really crappy movie. I'm actually gonna make the size. Like, I've never seen such a crappy movie. Like, it was actually that bad. it's looking good now. Now that we've extended it. Got to go, I need to eat lunch. That's what's up, dude. That's all good. Yeah, basically once I finish creating this model, I'm going to go ahead and get some luncheon too. Mouthwater on luncheon too. And then we'll actually add it into the actual game afterwards. Nah, but this movie I watched that I said was crap. It was like some chick flick. I know some of you guys are like, oh my god, he watched a chick flick. Oh my god. What the heck, Crayfish? It was like a chick flick, but it was like the most stereotypical, like exaggerated on things so much. Like when you watch like 13 Reasons Why, and then you watch this movie, like you just like the two just don't work well together. Cause like constantly in this movie there's like bullying, and it's saying it was like saying like there's always going to be nerds at high school. They're the ones that get picked on. That's just high school. There's always going to be the popular person. And I was talking about like high school's only a popularity contest. Ah, it was so crap. I just laughed at it. I just laughed at it. Someone's like, but high school is a popularity contest. Don't let me go. It does kind of go down to the same level. What's up, Ocelot? How you doing, my dude? We making a bug? Smart car. Or maybe more people know it as a panto. More people probably know it as a panto. smart car equals insect. It's so hard to see what I'm working on here. Alright. We did make a whoopsie there. We did make a whoopsie. I think we're actually going to do that, right? Don't know what body we're up to. No, I'm not going to get away with that. Boing. It's gonna be one fast car. Brum, brum, brum. Oh no. Uh-oh. No! That's supposed to be down there. We might have to make this smaller. If we do that, then we can... What the... What the heck happened here? It's because we don't have the extra one, don't worry. He's obviously hacking. I know, I'm trying to hack the NSA right now. In my model creator. Don't say that, Cray, you'll get... That's what she said. Do you like CSGO? Not really. I've never played it. I've never played it before. I'm not really. I've seen it. It's not my type of game, to be honest. It's not my type of game. It doesn't interest me in any sort of way. I'm more of a Fortnite. Fork knife. I'm actually getting alright at the game. My most kills, like, I haven't won, like, I'm getting there. My most kills right now is like 6 in a game, but I haven't won. So I'm getting there. I'm on the track. I'm on track to winning, so maybe once I'm alright, I can stream at once, but Sir Pickles is riding a lawnmower. That would be a sight to see. I really want to get a green screen already. I'm so annoyed. I want to get a green screen, right? How cool would this be, right? I get a green screen. I get a green screen. And then I can like project at the back of me like my mansion office room. So it looks like I'm actually sitting at... It would look like I'm sitting at a desk. Do chroma key. I don't have a green screen yet, but I'm trying. I'm gonna be messaging back Elgato real soon, cause I was like, "Yo, what's up?" Didn't you do that one time? I messaged them and they're like, we're currently... They said they didn't have stock. So like, message us... They were like, message us back after E3. I'm like, okay. Because that's what they kind of do, like, you know. I like Elgato. They create awesome products. I always like promote... Like, the thing is, like, I only like supporting... Like, I only like supporting companies that I actually genuinely like their products. And like, for instance, the Stream Deck, I use it all the time. Like, all the time. I'm a big fan of it. I'm also a big fan because as a developer, there's already like APIs out there which allow me to actually do whatever I want with it, which is pretty amazing. So it's pretty cool. Because like, I use like for anything, like, you know, when I switch stream layouts, like when I disable microphone, like, see, you didn't hear me there. I can, that was like enabled and disabled through the actual Stream Deck. I can also pause the music. I can play it. I can go next song. Someone's like, that was my favorite song. Oh wow, and it's the Penguin song next. What are the chances? How would you react if Mojang asked to sponsor you for Minecraft? I'd be like, heck yeah. I'd be like, heck yeah. Well, today's your lucky day, Crayfish. I'm sponsoring you right now. There's a weird, I don't know why, but the black concrete is like noisy compared to everything else. It's so weird. It's so noisy compared to like something like the grey. If anybody knows the reasoning, please let me know. I'm a crayfish in distress. So make sure we haven't done this thing like too high, because the wheels gotta kind of like really fit this, but like the thing is, it's like halfway down. We might have to like raise this, raise the roof like that. We're gonna have to raise this one. Raise the roof. Might also do something like this. That can be black. Cray, what is your real name? My real name's Casey. I prefer you guys go by my actual username. Like, I don't know, there's somebody out there that actually uses my real name, and it's like, you know, I don't, you know, I'm not like, you know, offended or anything, but I prefer if you guys actually use my username rather than my real name. It just feels weird when people call me that, because it's like my actual name, but I don't go by it online. Only, like, obviously when I'm, you know, emailing, I go by my real name, but for, like, actual, you know, on my YouTube and talking to fans, I go by my username. And you should do that too. Yo, Blue Gamer!
This is my first donate.
What up, Blue Gamer? How's it going, my dude? Cheers for the donation right there. Actually didn't scare me. Didn't actually scare me. Can we get some hype right now? First donation of the day. First donation of the day. What the heck is that message? What the? Do you guys see that? Is my, like, message highlighted? Is my message highlighted? Yes. Can I speak to the head of YouTube, please? Can I speak to the head of YouTube? This is unacceptable YouTube. Unacceptable. Nah, that's kind of a cool feature, I'm not gonna lie. Highlights my message more so, you know? I guess that's important. But the change, what? I don't understand why they put the sponsor icon after the name. They needed before it. Otherwise, it just looks stupid. I'd like to ask why YouTube is changing. It just looks horrible when, like, the icon looks so much better when it's actually before the name. On mobile, it looks like it used to. Oh yeah, if you're on mobile, it's probably different. Heckin' normies. Probably gonna make this one higher. Anyway. Can I get a Can I get a yeet? Normies. Heckin' bamboozled. That looks good. Make it a little bit thicker. A little bit thicker. Nah, sorry, I can't get this mod for MCPE. Blame Mo Yang. I can almost see it. When I take my breath, to fill up my lungs. Yeah. There we go, nice. It won't reach. Whoops. Alright, we're gonna do the other side too. Whoops. Here we go. That's a solid design. Hoping it's not too... Yeah, it should be right. Stream died. No, wait, never mind. What are you talking about? Still live. Hey dude, want to be part of my roleplay? Say yes, because I'll start, and I need more people. If yes, tell me your Discord name. I'll do anything. $1 million. Nah, sorry dude, I can't be. I think like the one thing I like, it's not sounding like when I reject offers, it's like when people say do you want to collaborate and they have like 1,000 subscribers compared to 100,000 subscribers, for instance. When you've got like 100,000 subscribers, you're pretty much, you know, you like YouTube is your kind of like, you know, your thing you're doing, you know, and you know, you're not gonna do stuff that isn't gonna help you, because that's just how it works. So unless it benefited me, it benefited us both in some way, then I'd do it. But if it's only benefiting one side, then I'm not going to do that. You only have 20,000 subs. Who's this? Oh, you're talking about this channel. But that's not the point. Oh, that's with this channel. I have a channel that has 0 subscribers. Maybe I can collaborate with anybody. But mind you, subscribers don't matter too much these days on YouTube anyway. So, training how a smart car works. Yeet yeet. Yeet on my seat, yeet yeet on my feet. Yeet yeet on my meat, yeet yeet. Yeet yeet on my feet. Is there a way to undo an action in your model maker? No, unfortunately not. You just have to deal with poor life choices. You have to deal with poor life choices. Oh my god. Life advice. Oh my god, funny. Alright. Alright, buddy. 10. Cray stream is lagging. Drop. Why isn't I drop? It's saying, you know, it's just saying some dropped frames. 8,978. I know why it's dropping. Oh my god, my internet is actually being so crap right now. My internet is actually being like crap right now. I should have mentioned that, hey. Yeah, it just dropped again. There we go. Lagged again. I don't know what it is. I need to restart like my modem. Do you guys want to wait like 2 seconds? Do you guys want to wait 2 seconds? It's dropping a lot, isn't it? I can see it. Do you want me to restart my modem? I'll be back in like 2 seconds. I'll see if it works. Apparently it's still dropping. Apparently it's still dropping. It's already dropped to 168 frames. I don't get it! Why is my internet being crap? Like, and it happens on my Wi-Fi too. Like, I was trying Fortnite out on my Nintendo Switch, and it was dropping frames there. It literally stops for like 2 seconds. It runs smoothly, then stops, and then keeps running smoothly. Like, the drop frames have already gone up a ton. 168 frames. 287. Look at it going up now. Look at it going up. It's probably lagging like crazy for you guys. My god, I can't stream. It only like just started happening. Like, it's not just like my computer, it's literally everything. It happens on my phone too. It keeps dropping out way too much. I'm just watching it. And I was like, I was just thinking about it. Is it something to do with my DNS? You know? Is it something to do with my DNS? Because I do have like a custom DNS to make my internet faster. But then I thought, you know, I don't have the custom DNS on my actual phone. Well, I'm pretty sure I don't. Because why would I? I don't think you can even change the DNS on your phone anyway. And I haven't changed it on my router either. I don't think I have. Yeah, it dropped again. Dropped again. Can we just... Like, it's been like this for the past couple of days. Like, it's just dropping. I bet you yesterday's live stream was that crap as well. Oh, not yesterday's, but Monday's live stream was that crap as well. No, there's no rise of internet action. It was perfectly fine last week, and it's just this week. It's been bad. Plus, it's midday right now. It's midday, it's not peak time. Peak time is like 6 PM. But my internet doesn't slow down on peak time because I'm with a good provider. Yeah, it could be weather. It's not Wi-Fi either. I'm on cable. I'm on cable too, so it's not Wi-Fi. I got a cable to my router. Yeah, Ethernet, same thing. You know what I mean. I'm just saying cable. I'm on a cable to my router. You know? So it's literally, I don't know. Let's see if I can look at my router settings real quickly. Like I've literally, what have I got here? What's my connection speed right now? What was that? What's... okay, I got that connected there. So I've got 1000 megabits per second to my computer right now. So a gigabit connection to my computer. Alright? Gigabit connection to my computer. So there's clearly nothing wrong with that. And the thing is, I don't want to, like, okay, I don't want to call up tech support because I've done it before and they take you through all this BS. They take you through this crazy amount of BS. Like, have you restarted it? Go to the router right now and click on restart. And then they get to the end, sorry, can't do anything. Because they literally just follow a piece of paper. Like, they don't know anything, they just follow a piece of paper in front of them. But yeah, I might do like a full reset. Do a full reset. Might turn off. I did have a guest Wi-Fi on, but I'm gonna turn that off because I had a party. I can turn off, wait, what one do I use? 5 gigahertz or 2.4? Tech support sucks. Cray, take a deep breath and call your internet company later and figure out the problem. They won't be a no though, they won't know. Is the network the same name? I guess it just connects to 5 gigahertz automatically. Yeah, I've dropped 439 frames. It hasn't been as bad, but it's gonna build up. Before it said like 8,000, so... Before it said like 8,000. So like logs. Diagnostics. Connection. Network. Log viewer. I don't know when the jumps happen though. Well, we just had a lot of jumps there. We had a lot of there. Oh, let's have a look. I just don't know when it jumps. There's just so much. There's like, they give you like event logs, but like I'd have to look at the as soon as it drops. Come on, drop, please. Just gonna wait till it drops and see what it says. But it dropped to 776 frames. 776 frames dropped. Oh, there we go. It dropped. $1,000. It dropped like 300 frames just then. What did it do? How's a... It's like a cron... What's that? Cron... Alright, let's have a look. Did it again. Okay, it's happening. I can see there's something. There's like a cron job or something. There's like a cron job or something happening. Like, and it happens exactly when it drops. Let's have a look again. Like, it's happening on the dot. Like, literally on the dot. Let's have a look, see if it happens again. So it should happen in literally 2 seconds. 1, 2. It might not happen all the time. I think it happens, one happens every 2 minutes. One happens every 2 minutes. It runs like some... Yeah, I might have to give the modem like a full, like... Oh, it ran it, did it again. No. Everything. I don't know, it's hard to say. It's hard to say what happens. I'm gonna keep looking here because like I can't just continue this live stream with it lagging. Like 2% of the live stream has lagged. That's a lot. Think about it. If 2% of the overall live stream lags, right, I'm gonna wait for the next drop and see what happens. You can just tweet them. I won't get enough attraction, don't worry. I won't get enough attention. What, I'm gonna get like 5 likes on a tweet about my internet? Alright. Again, it's like another cron. I don't know if it's like a cron running some sort of task. It's running some sort of task. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm waiting for the next drop. It keeps dropping way too much. I just can't stream like this because although you guys keep reloading and keeps glitching out for everybody, it's a very uncomfortable experience. No, I can't help you. Alright, have a look at this. Unavailable, what does this mean? Unavailable seconds. UAS, what does that mean? What does UAS mean? What does that mean? UAS. Yeah, it dropped again. Showtime, last 50 minutes, current day, prior day. 900 and... I don't know exactly. Isolation test. Oh my god. It just keeps going up. Have a look. Other seconds USA metric indicates how many seconds of some interval the service can be considered to have been unavailable. There you go. So apparently I keep getting the service keeps becoming unavailable. Like, and it just keeps going up. keeps going up. I mean, like, I can keep streaming, but it's just gonna keep dropping. Like, how often is it dropping for you guys? The Ethernet service availability definition is based on a model which uses two states to represent the ability and the ability and network to sustain the service in the available state. It's 240p right now. Can anybody go up to, like, it might be switching to 240p because YouTube just thinks, but is it like dropping a lot? Like, can anybody stream on 1080p or is it buffering a lot? Because it's like micro dropouts. Alright, let's have a look here. What does it say? Diagnostics. What does that mean? Unavailable seconds. Log viewer. 360p and buffering a lot for me. At 720p for me. On automatic quality settings, 1080p is fine for me. But is it like buffering? It's dropped 2,155 frames, my guys. That's like 30 seconds. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but like when it's like 1 second every, 2 minutes and it keeps dropping out for you guys, then it becomes a problem. Like, YouTube keeps saying, keeps telling me something's wrong. I just feel like I want to talk to someone who's actually like professional instead of some person reading off of a piece of paper. That's what annoys me so much. I want to speak to someone that actually knows what they're talking about. They're literally tech department. Manually set to 360, been getting a ton of buffering the whole stream. I'm guessing a lot of you guys can normally stream higher as well. I don't need this type of... Like, I just don't know what it means. What does showtime mean? I hate how they give all these diagnostics and then it's just like... Like, your diagnostics don't help, my dude. I said it's 720, no buffering. Yeah, I highly doubt. I'm with Telstra. But I'm from Australia, so it's completely different if you're in America. Also, I'm not going to anybody else, other company, because they're all crap. Telstra's the only decent one. But it's more of a technical... .1080p isn't available. Like, it is dropping so much. Like, it doesn't matter what quality I stream at, it's gonna drop like 1 billion frames regardless. Like 2,300 frames now. What is that? 38 seconds now. You gave me like the wrong number, dude. You gave me the completely wrong number. I ain't calling their tech support because I've called their tech support before. And it's literally people reading off a piece of paper that don't know anything. Like, when I was living with my dad, we had a DNS issue. Alright? Basically, what I did to fix it was just simply change around my DNS settings on my computer and it fixed the internet perfectly. Alright? Fixed the internet perfectly. Called up the tech support to, you know what's going on. And like, oh, try this. I'm like, we've done that. Try it again. We've done it, sorry. I'm like, can I speak to someone that knows what they're doing? But like, they just don't know what they're doing. They don't know anything about tech. Why would I call my dad? But it's gonna buffer regardless. Like, I've already dropped another... I don't know how many frames. Wow. My uncle's a Wi-Fi expert. It's not Wi-Fi. I'm on an Ethernet cable right now, my dudes. I'm trying to get the highest quality. Is there anything special about it since it's a smart car? You're thinking wrong. It's a smart car. When they made a smart car, it was before there was anything such as self-driving cars. It's called a smart car because it's small and economic. And it's smart because you can park anywhere. That's why they call it a smart car. Like, I don't know how to read. I don't know how to read half of this stuff.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Like, cause I've been like, I noticed when I first played Fortnite. Well, not when I first played Fortnite. I mean, I was playing Fortnite, right? And I'd be playing, and then at 1 minute it would just like freeze completely, and then 2 seconds later the game will catch up. Every time. More buffering, music is too quiet. It might even be to do with that. I've got a beast PC. It's not a lag issue. It's literally a connection issue. Alright, everything here is to do with the connection. Why the stream lagging? Connection issue. why I was playing Fortnite when I was playing Fortnite on my Switch. Lag issues again. So it happens over Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable. It's not just suddenly, like, it's not coincidentally lagging on every single device, lagging on everything I do. It's literally the internet. Just keeps dropping away at 2,588 frames. Come on. 2,646 now. That is 2,725. It lagged a lot then. It's increasing way too much. Did you guys get a mad lag spike then? Did you guys get a lag spike just then? Yes, no. If you just joined, then no. But it keeps dropping frames. 2,800 now. The screen is freezing a bit. That's the same thing as buffering. If you just joined, you gotta have drops. There's no way you can be streaming right now. Cause I looked, it literally just increased by like 1 billion. Like everybody go 360p. Everyone go 360p. What's going in? I don't know what's going on. Everyone's down 360p until there's a drop. Yeah, there's no drop yet. There's no drop yet. No drop yet. No drop yet. Stayed the same for a while now. It will like happen on the dot as well. Like it's very like a consistent thing. It's not just like random. It's like actually consistent. It's really hard to determine where it is. Vehicle lag Wednesday, guys. Hashtag lag Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, they're just buffered. There you go. It just lost like 3 seconds there. network. Lag Wednesday. Let's just turn stuff off. Let's turn off the file server. So apparently that goes on by default. Oh my god. So many people have tried to call me. I don't have I've got like a home phone number. I got like a phone number, but I don't have any sort of phone. And I can see all the numbers that have tried to call me. Probably all scammers. Ah, hello, you got a new Telstra thing. Let me help you set it up and scam you. Yeah, it keeps dropping. I don't want to end this stream off, but I'm getting so annoyed that it dropped, because literally every time it happens, someone's like dropped. Someone's like dropped. Like, how funny is this? My link. Oh no, that's Ethernet status. Don't worry. Internet access. Like, the diagnostics is like literally. RIP Internet Wednesday or Vehicle Wednesday. Lol. How does that make sense? Okay. The built-in DNS on these is so crap that the second DNS server worked first before the main one. That doesn't even make sense. Hold up. I'll be back in a second, guys.
crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
A man who on every occasion has given the best that he has.
I'll be right beside you.
We about to turn it on.
Yeah, I don't know. It's dropping a lot. Did it drop for you guys while I was AFK? I'm gonna say yes. There's not a lot I can do right now. The most I can do is just keep streaming and then keep dropping, it keeps dropping. There's really nothing I can do. It's not a lot I can do. It is dropping again. I know it's dropping again. There's nothing I can do. Because all I can do right now is... All I can do is now is just stop the live stream. But do you guys really want the live stream to stop? You know? Like, I can try... Like, okay, we can try... Okay, would you guys want me to try something right now? Alright? Would you guys want me to try something right now? Not that this is the problem. Because I know it's not the problem, because, you know, this drop happens on Wi-Fi. This drop happens on my phone. It happens on everything. Like, I know this is not the problem. But what I'm praying is, like, what I'm saying is, I want to try this out. Because I use, like, I have, like, I don't know what it's called. It's called, like, a... Hold on. I basically have, like, a secondary router in my office. So I have, like, a main router, which then that internet connection comes into the second router, because I have multiple devices in my room here. So I have one hooked up to a PlayStation, and they can all go into the same kind of thing, and then go through one cable, right? But I know it's not the problem because it happens on Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is just connected to the main router anyway. So I know it's not that, but what I'm going to say is I'm going to plug it directly, my cable, from the main router into my computer. I might also, I just don't want to, like, the thing is, it's going to take ages, you know? It's going to take ages to do this, because I need to restart my router, I need to update, well, I need to restart my router completely, like, turn it off completely, like, off from the power. And then there's potentially, like, resetting it as well. Reset the router. You know? All this stuff, so... I'm just seeing if there's, like, anything... Traffic monitor... Sent total received... Is there anything, like, dropped? Anything about dropped? I use like, wow, that's a lot. I use like 500 megabytes. 500 megabytes in... Well, I use like a gig and I use like 1 gigabyte every half an hour. That's a lot. We've dropped 4,000 frames. That's a lot. I use like 3 gig today. Or 3 gig, I don't know. doesn't have any information about.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
There's literally nothing I can do. Apparently 2 people tried to call me today. But I don't have a phone, so... What are you doing? Darkness, if you haven't been here, my stream's lagging like every couple of seconds. If your stream starts lagging, it's because of me. And my internet's like completely fine. It just literally stops for like 2 seconds. You know, it'll be good for a minute. But those 2 seconds, right, will cause your stream to buffer because there's no data. I'm not like, I haven't stopped. I'm not doing anything for no reason. It literally just keeps dropping. Like, we've dropped 4,178 frames, which if we 78 divided by 60, that's, oopsie, sorry. That's already 70 seconds of the live stream has been dropped. But that's not like, you know, it'd be understandable if that was just the one thing. But because it's like little teeny pieces of that all over the live stream, it drops out a lot. I don't know if you think it's better if our stream is buffering than if you try to use stream time to fix it. I know, like, that's the thing. I'm trying to think about what's better, but like, yeah. You know, but I've already, like, it's already 3 o'clock. It's already 3 o'clock my time. 3 hours, right? We've only done this. 3 hours and we've only done this. So that's why I'm like, let me just end this off so I can focus on this. Otherwise, I'm gonna be spending way too long now live streaming, completing this. Because like the past hour has just been literally like, I don't even know. I don't even know what the past 3 hours have been. Or 3 hours, I think. Let's have a look. How long have I been live streaming for? 2 hours. Cray, don't stop streaming. It's not a smart car. It's a smart car, but it's not a smart car. People misinterpreted it. It's just basically a Panto from GTA 5. See you later. Stream dropped. Ah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Stream dropped. Everybody just keeps saying it. Everyone, because like half my comments have been streams buffering. Streams buffering. See, like, let's go up further where I see laggy. Laggy. Dropping a lot, buffering a lot here. Same here, not much buffering. Buffering. Hasn't dropped for me or buffered in a while. It most likely is. You might not notice it, but it's been dropping a lot. We've dropped 4,000. The thing is, like, dropping 8,000 frames. I mean, I just can't watch you when you're dropping. I mean, I really want to watch you, but the drop is annoying me. Is it like legit, like, actually... Like, the thing is, it's literally ruining the experience because it keeps lagging. Nobody wants to watch a laggy stream. I don't want to provide a laggy stream. I'd rather stop the live stream, sort this out, and fix it up because it's been happening. This has been happening for like a couple of days now. Like I played Fortnite, right? I played Fortnite, and I'm literally in mid battle. I'm in mid shotgun battle with somebody, right? Mid shotgun battle, straight internet lags, all right? Then I'm like stuck there for like 2 seconds, and then next minute I'm knocked. All right. Next minute I'm knocked. It's boring. Oh my god. Awesome, dude. You can go. Doesn't lag for me. Everyone's like, it's lagging. 100% guarantee everybody's lagging. Everybody has a drop. Everybody's having drops. Trust me, OBS doesn't spit out dropped frames for me just randomly. Like, you might not notice the drops because you know, but it affects me. Like, okay, this could be the thing that's happening, right? It could be like my packets, right? It could be that you guys might not get drops as such, right? You might not get drops as such, but the packets build up, right? Like, think about, like, you know, think about, like, let's say, I don't know, what could be a good way to explain this? Let's think about, like, people just walking through a door, right? The people are the packets, right? So there's like 100 people trying to walk through this single door in single line, right? In single file. And then the door closes and then people start building up at that door, right? And then the door opens and then there's like a flood of packets that come in. But because of that stop, right? Because of that stop, everything just like on my internet just kind of just stops. And that's kind of like what happened with Fortnite. Like it would just stop and then everything would update. Everything would update after these 2 seconds. See, like, people saying quality's gonna be low. Like, YouTube's gonna automatically set your quality to low because it thinks it's you, thinks it's you're having the problem. You won't notice the lag drops because there's nothing happening on my screen. There's nothing happening on my screen. I mean, I'm not moving a lot, but there's not a lot happening on the screen. Like this should just be like a constant smooth. If it lags in any sort of way, like, it's still, drop frames are still going up. 4,600 now. That's 76 seconds. It's like my internet's working, but it's not. Like my internet is working. I can go into everything. You're like literally just. I think I'm gonna have to end up the stream. I've already spent an hour talking about. I've already spent over like an hour just talking about my internet now. It's literally one of the most boring live streams. One of the most boring live streams right now. But like, if I continue, okay, if I continue, new people are gonna come into the stream, right? And they're gonna be like, stream buffering, stream laggy, I'm leaving. Like, everybody that's new is gonna say the exact same thing now. It's gonna be like, stream lagging, see ya. You can't just keep telling them. I can't tell everybody that's new. Can't tell everybody. Stream's lagging, sorry. New person comes in. Stream's lagging, sorry. I can't do that. Plus, it ruins the... It ruins like the VOD afterwards. Think about watching this video afterwards, right? And there's missing like 3 seconds. I'm like talking and it stops. And then it talks like it'll be like an instantly, but how YouTube does it is like complete. I don't know. Don't end it. I can stream. It doesn't matter. I don't want I like quality streams. I don't want to continue streaming when it keeps buffering every 2 seconds. Like we've dropped 5,000 frames now. 5,000 frames. Let's have a look at my uptime. In 1 hour. Since my last restart, 1 hour and 15 minutes, 5,000 frames. So that's like 1 minute and 23 seconds. But not a constant, little gradual. I've already spent an hour and 15 minutes talking about this, so half the live stream right now is me talking about my internet. Like, I'm already out of the mood of, like, this... Like, I'm gonna be annoyed if I continue this stream because it's so laggy. Because it's gonna be constant buffering. Well, not constant, but you guys are gonna experience... Like, it's not just for, like, your sake. Like, this is for my sake as well. Because I've been, like, watching videos, I've been watching YouTube videos and it stops. I've been watching Twitch live streams and it stops. And I've literally got to refresh the entire page for it to reload again. I'll play online games. It affects me. It's a bigger issue than just this stream right here. because it's really getting on my nerves for the past couple of days. Because I'm like, oh, maybe it'll fix up. Maybe it'll fix itself. I mean, I've already spent an hour and 20 minutes now just talking about my internet. There'll still be Vehicle Wednesday, just you won't see the development. But the thing is, I live stream every single day, so if it's not fixed tomorrow, I'm gonna have the same problem. Plus, if I want to fix this issue, I gotta call now. I gotta call now rather than later, because otherwise I'm gonna be talking to somebody from overseas. So if the stream is laggy for you, then just turn the volume down. That doesn't help. No one's gonna turn the volume down. I'm probably gonna delete this live stream today because it's like, it's pointless live stream. I posted the internet thing on Discord. What? It's nowhere. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Yeah, it's probably still lagging. Look. What's that? Another 240 frames dropped. 240 frames. Like, you don't understand, like, this is like, if I wasn't streaming, this wouldn't be such of a major issue, because I'd be able to resolve it, because I'm streaming. Streaming is the most important time that I don't want my internet to be crap, alright? You don't understand the struggle here. This is dropping, people are lagging, people are having a bad viewing experience. I don't want this to happen. I want you guys to be able to watch these streams without buffering, you know? Without buffering at all. Turning the picture quality down won't reduce it at all. Literally, we just dropped another 130 frames then. It's another 2 seconds gone. It's another 2 seconds gone. Some of you guys might be. It's not. You guys, if you just joined, if you literally just joined the live stream, you might not be experiencing it. But think about for the last... how many... Okay. How many of you guys have buffered in the last hour? That including, like, slight glitches of the video. Like, the video will stop for like 2 seconds. The video will stop for 3 seconds. I don't know. Like, I want good streams. I don't want this crappy stuff. Like... I've been buffering in the last streams for a week. Yeah, exactly. It's been like, this has been like this for actually a week, I should say. It's been buffering all the time. I have, but it was early in the hour. I have 100. Regardless, I'm ending this live stream today anyway because I've already spent over too long talking about this, and now it's essentially the video's ruined. The video's ruined anyway, so if someone was going to come onto here and watch it, they're going to quit after 10 minutes into talking about my internet issues. They're not just going to watch it. The last stream was fine, but in the stream was a bit laggy. Yeah, last stream. Yeah, I'm gonna finish off this on my own time. It's just I don't want to keep a live stream running that's, you know, really bad. My internet isn't bad. It's just not sustainable for us. No. Mate, you don't understand. I'm having literally dropped frames. That's called lag. I want 0 dropped frames. I've dropped 5,435 frames at the moment. In the past hour. So that's a total of a minute and a half. But it's all these micro drops that happen. I just dropped 8 seconds. All the lag is from me. Someone said they just dropped 8 seconds. What a comfortable viewing experience. It's gonna be funny. Sorry guys, gonna end up the stream because I'm lagged. Because I'm lagged. Like, that's just so ironic. Alright, my dudes. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end off. I'm gonna have to end it off. There's literally nothing I can do. Stream will probably lag on this outro. I'll be like, you know, sorry guys, stream lag. Stream lag. Stream lag. So, unfortunately, this is a major issue. I'm getting annoyed for it. Yeah, I'll do shoutouts as well. People that retweeted so far. And thank you to the people that did 18 retweets. Shout out to Austin Kelly, Squawkle. I'm going to call you Samuel because it's so hard to pronounce the username. Hauntercorpse, Thinklab Minions, Flamestar, Vu Huang Hai, Roland Stone, Hilton, The Zapier, Acid Pop, Rawley, Alpha Think, Lee Margie, Abby, It's Sheepcraft, and Madison Lawn Dree. Thank you guys for the retweets over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys. Last minute shout out as well to Ocelot. Lag rip 10 seconds. Lag. See it, tell it. Look, it just dropped. It just dropped. There you go. There you go. That's why I'm leaving this stream. It's dropping. Because it might drop for 2 seconds, but until YouTube actually gets the connection back, and then you guys will be able to load it, it might drop for like 10 seconds. So there we go. Alright, peace out my dudes. If you guys enjoyed the live stream, regardless of my major internet issues, please go ahead and snap that like button right in half. I'm hoping it will be good by tomorrow. I'll try and do my best to get this working, but I can't make any promises. I'll let you know how my internet's going. But hope you guys enjoy your night. Hope you guys enjoy your morning. The video will still be coming out, so Vehicle Wednesday will still continue on. I just can't live stream because it's lagging way too much and keeps dropping too many times, so but I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, my dudes.